Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Have you ever tried typing a number or checking something during a phone call, but your screen just went black and it won't turn back on until the call ends? Yes, you are not alone. It's very frustrating, especially when you are trying to multitask or use the app during the phone call. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in just a few easy steps. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. So first of all, let me demonstrate how it does whenever I'm trying to make a phone call. So I'll try calling my number. And you can see the screen just went black and it won't allow me to do anything until the phone call ends. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem. So first of all, open your phone settings. I'm using Infinix Hot 10, so this is how my settings look like. Then you click on my phone and you're going to scroll down till you see build number. So this is my build number, and if you can't find it here, all you need to do is just search it up here. Just type it up here, build number. So when it comes, then you click on it, it will take you directly there. So over here, I'm going to type on it 5 times to open the developer option. So I've already enabled my developer option. So all you need to do is just tap on it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it will enable your developer option. So I've already enabled mine. So you can see right here, you can see that it says no need, you are already a developer. So when done and the developer option is enabled, all you need to do is just go back. Then you scroll down to system. So when you open, then you're going to see the developer option down below here. You can see it right here. Then you click on it. And you're going to scroll down till you see quick settings developer. So this is the quick setting developer. Then you click on it. So over here, you are going to click on the sensor right here. So you click on it to turn it on. Then you go back. So over here, you are going to put your notification panel down and you are going to see sensor app here. You can see the sensor sign up there and you turn it on. So guys, after turning the sensor on, you'll be able to do your calls and do whatever you want to do with the phone app without your phone screen going black. So let me do a demonstration for you to see how it works. So now I'm going to call my number. At first, when I call it, all the screen go black. So I'm trying to call my number now. So guys, you saw how it worked. The screen didn't turn off. So now you'll be able to do calls, also put your phone on loudspeaker, dial numbers, and also do other things whilst doing the call. So that's how to go about with this issue. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.